Hi guys, welcome on IE Academy 123. Today we will discuss about the how to download and how to install the code block. And what is the code block? Code block it is what is nothing but it is the just IDE integrated development environment for C and C++. And what is the use of this thing? It is the use of the thing. It actually the whenever you code the any program and that program code and that coding you want to convert into the software. And what is the software? Software is nothing but it is the exe file. And someone customer will come on your door and ask you he want to make a software, and to fulfill his purpose then he will pay you some dollars, and for that dollar how will you give the product that it is the software product, that is the coding. No, coding is not software, it is the just the raw material for that software. Exe executable files, executable exe setup file, that is the software, and parallelly built by this software IDE. Your program automatically generate or automatically build the exe with code block. That is the main point. Okay, let's start. First of all, you will come on this site, code block, www code block, and .org downloads /downloads 26. Here you will find, and if you go back then you will find this link, and this link I will paste in the description box, then you will access properly. Okay, and what is this link? In this link you will find download the binary release and download the source code, and retrieve the source code from the subversion. But these two I will not download. I will download the binary release, and if I click it then I will navigate on a different or another GUI and another interface, and here you will appear what Windows XP Vista 7, 8 and 10. But okay, I am Windows user, then I will choose this thing, and if I Linux user then I will choose okay this thing, Linux, and if I use Mac OS then I will choose this Mac OS. Okay, but I am using the Windows, and for Windows you will find here the some other variants, code blocks 17.1 to set up exe. It does mean executable files. Executable file, it does mean it is the format of software, it is not coding. Coding is hidden. Why? If the coding is shown, then coder and company will what? Flush out, because he's the secret of that coding will open, and it is not possible. Okay, then here I have minge w setup.exe. It is the most important thing, and for code block, for why we should download it, because for compilation purpose, for compilation convenience, and many things are suitable in this format. And if I click here sourceforge.net, and if I go there, then the download will start automatically in a few seconds. Okay, and you will appear in a 4 or 5 second. Okay, 4 second, 5 second, and 3 to 1, and automatically download start. But I will not download it. For what? Because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so in your case it will it will just download, and you have to accept that thing. But in my case I have already downloaded, so I will not. Yes, here minge w code block and setup.exe, and here is the you have to save. Okay, but in my case I am just cancelling it. Okay, and I just close it. Okay, I refresh, and I am going to my download folder where it was downloaded by me. Then I am going to this PC. Okay, just a simple process and nothing but is the rocket science. You can do everything with a single okay code block. You can what is code block? C is important thing. Okay, here you will find, or here, yes, code block, and just this is the application format, run as administrator, and the process will going on, and it is the simple process. There is no rocket science. You can also easily take out the all steps. Okay, and here the slow RAM due to the process is going on. Here is installation process is begins. Okay, and in a few seconds it will, okay, it is asking me new, and here you will say it is a agreement, or okay, I agree, and I am leaving as it is default. Okay, and it is the asking me the where I was I want to install it. Okay, it is the just location. I am installation is C program file 86 and code block. Okay, and if I want to install, if I want to store in another place, then I can browse here, but I am by default installing here. Install the process is going on. It will take some time, so I am pausing my video for a few times. Okay, this command, do you want to run code block now? So yes, if I press yes, then the process will starting. Okay, this is the simple process which we have did here, and nothing but it is a just a process of installation. It is going on because it is a heavy IDE, integrated development environment for C and C++. So, and very useful and popular and professional install code block editor. So you have to, you can use in this thing Turbo C, and you can use another Visual Studio, and you can use any other things. Okay, just you make next and finish. Okay, or assisting, yes, it is just process is starting, but my laptop is what it is again the processing. If I, yes, code block is processing. Cross platform and open source. What is the mean of these two words? Open source, it is for everyone. Okay, there is no monopoly for a particular institution, for a particular domain, but it is for public domain. And cross platform, it is like a you can say XAMPP X cross platform. It does mean here are two platforms which will use for a common purposes and so on. So I am just okay, I just cut it, and the process is going on in a few seconds. Okay, just I am okay, and it is the process finished. I am just opening code block, and here the code block is just opening, and it is the window or where we will code, and this is the interface code block. And another, you can create a new project or open the existing file already if you done programming, because we didn't make any program because we have just installed now. Okay, just create a new project or go to the file and new, and here also the project you can take it. Okay, from both, but I am taking here from the by process. You can take also here, and project you will take, then project building is starting here. There are many options available, but you have to choose the console application from here. Then this is what the console application. Okay, and go. If you choose go, then skip this page, no, next time. Okay, here you will C or C++, but we are starting for C, and after completion C, I will take the C++. Okay, and that is next. Project name is the what my software 123. You can take my software 123, and it is the path where it is installed or it is stored. If you want to change the installation path, then you can click here, and you will change the here what chart project, and you will go to the code block C programs. Here you will bin and obj file already, and my software one folder already existed, and if you, then your destination folder is code block C. You can take another folder also, but I am taking this folder, and just okay, and after this is path, and then make the next, and leave it is the as default. Okay, then the process of building is start, and the one window will appear on this my software. Here is the appear my software 123, and if you expand this thing, then you will main.c, and if you double click, then it will open. Okay, but I will select it and just a plus and make it more size. Okay, here if you run it in, it will not run. Yes, first of all you have to build. Okay, you have to build, and after building, here the message appear, there is no error, and the your program is will build. Okay, and after building your program, the process is going on. Yes, your zero error and everything you build. And if you run here from this run, or you can also run from this only the same way, but your output is not coming. Because why? Output is coming, but output is not holding, because I have no screen is not hold. And in C, screen is what? Get ch. Everyone know that get ch ending by semicolon and again control s. Not okay. Get ch is what? To hold the output screen, yeah, or get ch. Okay, and control s, and again your program will build. Okay, if I build it, then yes, it is going on building. Yes, after building this program, I will run again, and you will see. Yes, your output will come in a few seconds. Okay, I will cut. What is the problem? Nothing but okay, hello. And you can say here is what? YouTube. Okay, this is what? This is YouTube. Okay, and okay, and if I take then control s, it is your, and get ch, and after you have to build this. Okay, here control F9 you can also use to build it. Okay, the process of building. Okay, you will expand up to this thing. Okay, here the process of building, and it is the C program. Int stands for integer, and main it is main, and it is the header file, everyone know that, and it is the body of that program, what we code we want to run here. And inside the build, and if you run, then the output will come. Yes, your output is come. Your first output has been appear on this thing. What is the hello world? And here is YouTube. Here is YouTube. Your output is come. Okay, thank you, bye bye. We have did justice. After we will take, after next coming videos and series, we will do all software format and all software type and all course and everything. Okay, thank you, bye bye. We will meet soon again.